Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2021 Ram 1500 Limited Crew Cab in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With black headlamp bezels, LED fog lamps, sport hood, 22-inch aluminum wheels, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 27,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen navigation, ventilated rear seating, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, Rambox cargo management system, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number 901798.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.